Something a little different and refreshing today for lunch. I'm Tess, and come join me as I make my bacon ranch chicken stuffed tomatoes. Stay tuned. I saw these beautiful tomatoes at the store and thought I would make my bacon ranch chicken tomatoes. You want a tomato that is not too small or too big and nicely ripened. I'm cutting out the top and leaving a nice opening, taking my knife and carefully cutting on the inside around the edge. Be careful not to poke through the tomato with your knife. The goal is to cut the tomato segments and then scoop out the inside with a spoon. Just take your time. I like to save the tomato segments for stock or chili. In a bowl, I'm adding in about a half a cup of mayonnaise and a good 2 tablespoons of ranch dressing, giving that a good whisk. Adding in a pinch of salt and black pepper and a 1/4 teaspoon of garlic powder. About a 1/3 cup of chopped green onions. About a 1/4 cup of diced chopped crispy cooked bacon. And 2 finely chopped small hard-boiled eggs, giving that a good mix. And I almost forgot, this is 1 tablespoon of Dijon mustard. Another good stir. This is 2 cups of finely diced cooked rotisserie chicken. You can also use canned chicken in this recipe. Another good mix. These are the ingredients I had on hand. You can also add celery, pickles, olives, bell peppers, whatever you like. I'm serving this right away, but if you have the time, it's nice to refrigerate the chicken salad for an hour or 2 to have all the flavors blend well. Filling the tomatoes with the bacon ranch chicken salad. Garnishing with a little parsley and extra bacon. I hope you give this bacon ranch chicken stuffed tomato recipe a try and enjoy. If you like this video recipe, please hit the like and subscribe button. Remember to hit the bell next to the subscribe to make sure that you get my future video recipes. You can also find me on Facebook and at my website. Feel free to share this recipe and my channel with your friends and family. And until next time, much love!